memes. Once known for their 3-second silliness, I'm talking about meme coins.
Memes have also created a new category of cryptocurrencies. There are millions of such meme coins around the world now. Put together, they're worth $130 billion.
Ever heard of someone turning a few $100 into millions with meme coins? Is it pure luck or is there a secret formula?
Held this coin for 20 minutes, made 75 grand in 20 minutes. 2 months ago, we decided to make a new wallet, and we're sitting at 338K right now in profit.
He turned $700 into 1.14 million in 6 months.
Today, we're breaking down the blueprint to making real money with meme coins. Stay till the end, because this knowledge could be the difference between making a fortune and losing everything.
April of 2023, somebody purchased $27 worth of Pepe token. Today, that is worth approximately $20 million.
Welcome to the Simba Crypto God channel, your ultimate source for crypto, blockchain, and the latest trends in digital finance. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on money-making opportunities. Now let's dive in. First, let's get one thing straight. Meme coins aren't like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They don't solve problems. They thrive on hype, community, and internet culture. Think Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and a wave of newer tokens popping up daily. But don't underestimate them. While most fail, a few explode in value. The key is knowing how to spot the winners. So let's break it down. Meme coins thrive in bull markets but struggle in bear markets. Why? Because they rely on retail investors and hype-driven speculation. Unlike Bitcoin, which has institutional backing and a clear store of value proposition, meme coins are about virality. So if you're diving into this world, you must understand market cycles. A key factor in meme coin success is branding. A catchy name, an engaging mascot, and a strong social presence can make all the difference. Think of Dogecoins with Shiba Inu or Pepe Coin's meme appeal. The more recognizable and relatable the branding, the higher the chance of attracting a massive following. Another aspect to consider is tokenomics. A strong token model with proper supply mechanisms, staking rewards, and burn mechanisms can create sustainable growth. Look at coins that integrate innovative economic incentives beyond just hype. Newer meme coins are also incorporating utility. While traditional meme coins were just speculative assets, modern ones are integrating decentralized finance, DeFi, gaming, and NFT functionality. The more utility a meme coin has, the higher its chances of survival in a crowded market. With meme coins, the community is the project. If a coin has an army of die-hard supporters constantly hyping it up on Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram, it has a fighting chance. No community, no future. Dogecoin didn't succeed because of its technology. It succeeded because of its people. So before you invest, ask, is the community growing? Are people creating memes, discussing it daily, and attracting new members? If not, skip it. One way to measure community strength is through social media engagement. Are influencers talking about it? Is there an active Discord or Telegram group? Are people organically creating memes and spreading awareness? A strong community can push a coin to the moon, while a weak one will let it fade into oblivion. An interesting case study is Shiba Inu. Initially dismissed as a joke, it gained traction due to an active community, influencer endorsements, and an expanding ecosystem with staking, NFTs, and DeFi integrations. If a meme coin's roadmap includes real-world use cases, it increases its staying power. Beyond engagement, look at developer involvement. If the team is actively building partnerships, launching new features, or expanding their ecosystem, it's a sign of longevity. Stagnant projects are risky investments. Transparency also matters. Meme coins with clear roadmaps, visible teams, and ongoing development stand a better chance than those hiding behind anonymity and vague promises. This is where most people fail. Memecoins are like roller coasters, massive highs and devastating crashes. Buying at the wrong time means holding the bag while everyone else cashes out. The secret? Get in before the hype peaks. Look for early momentum, spikes in volume, increasing social media buzz, and whale accumulation. And remember, when mainstream media starts talking about it, that's usually a sign it's time to sell. So how do you time the market? Watch for pre-pump indicators. Look at social sentiment analysis tools like Lunar Crush to gauge online activity. Track whale wallets to see if big investors are buying in or cashing out. And always remember, if it feels too late, it probably is. Also, be mindful of catalysts. Elon Musk's tweet sent Dogecoin skyrocketing multiple times. A major exchange listing can also create a surge. However, buying after the news breaks often means buying at the top. Anticipation and positioning matter. Pay attention to market cycles. Meme coins perform best during bullish sentiment when speculation is rampant. Understanding Bitcoin's price trends can give clues about overall market direction. Don't blindly follow hype. Check CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko for market cap, supply, and trading volume. Read the white paper. Yes, even meme coins have them sometimes. Avoid projects with anonymous teams or vague roadmaps. If there's no transparency, run. Also, check for liquidity. A meme coin with low liquidity means it'll be hard to sell when the time comes. High trading volume suggests strong market activity, while low volume might mean you're stuck with a token nobody wants. Another crucial factor, developer activity. Are they updating the project? Is the team involved in the community? A dead developer team is a red flag that the coin will eventually fade. A strong project should have a visible roadmap. Does it plan for NFT integrations? Play to earn gaming? Real-world adoption? The more compelling the vision, the better the odds of long-term success. Never go all in on one meme coin. It's high risk, high reward, and the only way to stay in the game is by spreading your bets. Diversify across multiple projects and only invest what you can afford to lose. Think of meme coins like lottery tickets. Some will explode, others will crash. That's why spreading your investment across multiple high potential projects increases your chances of success. Also, consider taking profits along the way. Never get too greedy. It's also important to manage your exit strategy. Set stop-loss orders, take profits in increments, and be prepared to pivot if market conditions change. Meme coins are full of scams. Developers launch a token, build hype, then disappear with investors' money. This is called a rug pull, so how do you avoid it? Check liquidity lock. If liquidity isn't locked, the developers can pull it at any time. 2. Look at the holder distribution. If one wallet owns most of the supply, that's a red flag. Avoid coins with zero utility. If there's no purpose beyond hype, it's likely a cash grab. So let's say you hit it big with a meme coin. What now? Remember, profits aren't real until you cash out. Have an exit strategy. Set price targets and take profits gradually. 2. Understand the tax implications. In many countries, crypto gains are taxable, so prepare accordingly. 3. Consider stablecoins. Converting to USDT or USDC can protect your profits from volatility. To make money with meme coins, follow these rules. Invest in strong communities. Buy early, sell before mainstream hype. Avoid scams and rug pulls. Diversify and take profits. Like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite meme coin below. This is Simba Crypto God signing off.